So see question number 1. What have which of the following statements are true? So here question number 1 A 2 is to 3 equal to 24 is to 36 given. So first we will write 2 by 3. 2 is to 3 means 2 by 3 will write, and 24 is to 36 we will write 24 by 36. Okay. Now what we will do, we'll multiply with this numerator to this numerator, cross multiplication. Okay, so 2 multiply with 26. Okay, and after multiplication then 26 to the what, 52. Okay, now next we'll multiply this to this number. So there 3 into 24 will give, and then you see 324 the what, 72. Now you see there one is 52, another one is 72. So these are not equal. So that means the given statements are not true. So 2 is to 3 not equal to 24 is to 36. It is not true. Okay, so that means false. Therefore it is false. We'll write here false. So rest of the questions are similar like that. You do by yourself, and I will show the question number B. So here 5 is to 3. So again we'll write 10 by 6. Okay. So there, so 5 by, so here this will be 10, not 6. This will be 6. 10 by 6, right? So there what we will write, there will be 6. Okay, now if I multiply this 5 into 6, cross multiplication. Okay, so then 5 6 are what, 30. Okay, and then this multiply with this 10, then 3 10 ja 30. Now see, you see the both are what, 30 and 30, these are equal. So we'll say that the given statements are, these given statements are true. Okay, so therefore it is true. And C D E F, do it by yourself. Okay, now we'll see the question number next. You write down from there first. Okay, now next you see question number 2. Which of the following arrangements of the numbers are in proportion? So in my introduction part I have shown, if the three numbers is four numbers is there, then these numbers are proportional or not. How, we'll see. So if the extreme number, so extreme means what, endpoints number. So here endpoints number what, 3 and 6. So if the extreme numbers equal to the uh, product of mid number, then we'll say these are the proportions. So you see the extreme numbers are there, 13 and 6, and mean what, 4 and 2. So if I multiply this product of extremes and product of means, product means what, multiply. Okay, so we'll write here in the next. So that their extreme, product of extreme, we'll write here what, product of extreme. So 3 into 6, these are the extremes numbers, right? Because the extreme means what, n points numbers. So first number and last number. Okay, so their first is what, 3 and 4, sorry, 3 into 6. So 3 6 are 18, and product of means what, here means number are what, 4 and 2. So product of means, we will write here product of 4 into 2. Okay, 4 to ja is. Now see the product of extreme not equal to product of mean, that means 80 not equal to 8. Since 80 not equal to 8, that means what, product of extreme not equal to product of means, that so the given numbers not are in proportion. Okay, so therefore we write the given numbers are not in proportion. Okay, so therefore here we will write the given numbers are not in proportion. Okay, So question number A, hope you understood now. Question number B and C, D, E, F, do it by yourself. I will show you now question number C. So here you see 4 comma 9 comma 16 and 36. So here extreme numbers are what, 4 and 36. So we'll multiply first product of extremes. Here extreme numbers are what, 4 and 36. We'll multiply 4 into 36. Okay, product of extreme number equal to 4 into 36. So 4 into 36, if I multiply, then we'll get 144. So you see 6 for the what, 24, remaining 2, 3 for the 12 plus 2 what, 14. So here 144. Okay. So name next product of means. So means here numbers are what, 9 and 16. So product of means. So 9 multiply 16, 9 16 the what, 144. Okay. Okay. So you see now both product of extreme and means are equal. So since 144 equal to 144, you may write here product of since product of extreme equal to product of means, therefore it is the given statements are in proportion. Okay. So here I have written only since 144 equal to 144. Therefore the given numbers are in proportion. Okay. Okay. So rest of the question do it by yourself. Now we'll see the question number 3. First we write from there. Okay, then we'll see question number 3. If you have any confusion, then you ask me, okay, in my WhatsApp number. Now see what question number 3. Find the fourth term of the proportion whose first, second and third term are this one. So first, second, third term is given. So 2 3 4. First term is 2, second term is 3, and third term is 4. So we don't know what is the fourth term. So in the solution we'll write, let the fourth term be x. Okay, so if I don't know, then we'll take some number and we'll find this number. Okay, so let the fourth number, that means if I write let the fourth term is what, x. So now new terms will be, so earlier only 3 terms is given to you, right? So 2 comma 3 and 4, 2 comma 3 4. Now we'll write the new terms are 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma x. Okay, so now you see in this case the given question, what, the numbers are in proportion. So that means number are in proportion, that means product of extreme equal to product of means. Okay, so these are the means number, and this 2 and x is the extreme numbers, right? And means what, 3 and 4. So here we'll write product of extreme equal to product of means. Okay, what, product of means. Okay, so here product of extremes numbers are what, So this is the proportion. So here these are equal, I told already to you. So here product of extreme numbers, so extreme numbers are 2 and x will 2 multiply sign will give and x here will write, and then equal to sign will give. Okay, and the mean numbers are what, 2 and 3 and 4, you multiply 3 and 2 4 and give, here you see now x will write there. Okay, and this 2 will write in denominator of this 3 by 4. So first you write 3 by 3 into 4, and this denominator will come in denominator. Okay, so now we'll cut this one, 2 1 ja 2, and if I cut this 4 by 2, then 2 2 ja 4, then implied sign will give x, and then 3 multiply with this 2, 3 2 ja 6, and denominator 1 have no need to write. So every number denominator what have 1. So if you want to write, otherwise okay, no problem. So therefore we'll write, here we'll write last, thus the fourth term is what, okay, the fourth term is 2. So students, if you have any confusion, then you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, so thank you.